Hey, it's Matt here with 911R. We have this blue fire metallic 1970 Cuda that's ending here in a few hours. Just thought we'd just do a quick little walk around and kind of look at some of the details of the car. The car's got the correct Rallye wheels with the Firestone wide oval tires, which are real period correct on it. Come around to this in the inside. You get the Hurst cool pistol grip shifter, the wood simulated wood steering wheel, full track pack on this car, so you got upgrade suspension. On the inside, the only thing I found that didn't work was the clock and the radio. Seems like those are very common on these not to be working. So coming around the outside of the car, the paint on the car is really nice. It's probably an older paint. There's a few small things like a chip in this door right here. Just little things, but overall the paint is very nice on the car. Come around the backside, the chrome is all original. It hasn't been replated or anything. You know that's the correct rear wing because it has a little sag in it. Come around this side, again, very straight, no door dings or anything in it, no dents. Open up inside this door, you can see inside the carpet, got custom floor mats in it. All the levers, gauges, all the lights work in the car. The heater works in the car, glove box, all that stuff is there. Again, all the glass is the original glass with the correct pentastars on it. Come around to the front, we'll open up the hood and see what's really special about this car. Got a 446 pack, so triple Holleys on it. And the motor was just rebuilt. It was rebuilt at Dean's Hot Rods. There's the invoice in there. It's about almost $12,000. They balanced and blueprinted the bottom end, complete full engine rebuild. They rebuilt the transmission as well. We verified the engine and the rear end and all the parts on the car to be original parts to the car. Transmission was changed from what we can tell, but it is a period correct transmission for it. Shaker hood, new battery. You can see the trim tag on the car. It is loaded with options. He's got about as many options as you possibly can get on one of these. So any questions, please use the contact seller button. We're happy to help with shipping of the car if you win the auction. Also, if you're interested in 911R selling a car for you, please let us know. We'll be happy to help out. Thank you.